Welcome to Webstyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to pin a video on TikTok. To do that, open TikTok app on your phone. Go to Profile. I will sort videos by popularity. Select a video. Press three dots above volume icon. Press pin button at the bottom to pin this video. Let's select another video and repeat the process. Another. And another. You can pin only 3 videos on TikTok. Pinned videos will show at the top of your profile on TikTok. To unpin a video, select pinned video, press 3 dots, and press unpin button from bottom. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.